Very common misconceptions about DORIS is really what we are in general because we're so emergent. People often will make up their own story about what we are. Our roots are sort of founded in us studying the built environment, physical space, a lot of times office space. It is easy for people to confuse us with maybe an architect or an interior designer. We don't do that type of work. So we spend a lot of time making sure that people understand our outcomes are going to be research based only, and they won't have any type of drawing or implementation plan for anything attached. Another common misconception is that because we're doing research, all of it's going to be quantitative, meaning we're going to have a lot of numbers to explain what we've learned in the field with their stakeholders. And we have to make sure that people understand that research can be both qualitative and quantitative, so numbers and words. And words sometimes are where we're going to find the correct insight. And so our job is to blend and marry qual and quant together. But a lot of times folks initially will jump to that quantitative answer that they're looking for because they just feel good about numbers. A lot of times numbers can be more black and white, and they think that maybe the words are a little bit squishier, but we know really grounded in theory that sometimes words can give us more insightful answers.
Contrary to popular belief, Doris is not architects. We're not interior designers. We're not going to give you a program or a floor plan. We are researchers. So all of us have a background in some sort of qualitative or quantitative research, which means that we're going to give you robust amounts of data from your people using various methodologies that are most appropriate to answer the questions you have. And then armed with those answers, you can then partner with any sort of implementer who will give you that appropriate floor plan or program, or maybe it's an HR consultant, or maybe it's a real estate broker. Who you partner with, you'll now have the data to answer any and all questions that they have that they'll come to the table with.